found something really interesting here, so let's see if this can really do some adventure. So taking it off-road, so-called off-road, on these rocky bits. Ruby came all the way, she did all the adventure of climbing up, and we've come all the way here. So the climb starts here, so we are entering towards Pathankot, and there's a small climb started from here, and this will give me an idea how Ruby is going to perform going forward. So these are small climbs, not too much of a climb. So far so good, not too much of a problem. She's easily climbing up, and from here onwards the topography is going to change drastically. You're going to see only mountains and ranges and snow and all of it from here onwards. It's just going to be mountain ranges. All this while we were looking at plateaus and fields and all of it. From now onwards it's only going to be mountains. Scooter coming this far, 4,400 plus kilometers with so many hurdles, climbing up this steep. I think all the myths are broken now. If you say electric scooters are not as good as IC scooters, then that's a myth. And if electric scooter can't perform as good as IC scooter, then that's a myth. And if you still believe, then you have to take this scooter for a spin, and then probably all your myths will be busted. It's built tough. It's built real. It's built for every season. You've seen by now, if you're watching this video, you would have seen every season: summer, rain, cold, winter, every season possible that this scooter could go, and every temperature possible. We've seen the extremes of the extreme, 50 degrees, and now we are at 5 degrees. So you've seen extreme conditions that this scooter has got.